this cancel culture that we have, where if you don't agree with my opinion, then you need to be cancelled because you are wrong. That needs to stop. And the only way that is going to happen is if we say no. And love him or hate him, but Trump is holding up that mirror and saying, look at what we have become. I am not going to allow that anymore. And the other people that have found that very unacceptable are those woke people, all those people that says, no, you know what, let everyone go get into this country. Give all of these outside illegal foreigners all of the rights, but then an American citizen or a South African citizen does not have rights. The law-abiding citizens do not have the right to say no, do not have the right to say, wait a minute, stop.